Hello friends, today we will learn how to use different pronouns in order to make different Hindi sentences in present, past and in future tenses. By learning this, you will easily be able to start talking to someone who is a Hindi speaker. So please watch this video till the end and try to understand the basics of Hindi sentence formation. So let's start today's video. As you know, pronouns are the words which are used in place of noun. In Hindi, we use different pronouns. So we will see how different pronouns can be used while making different Hindi sentences. So let's see. The common pronoun or the sarvanam which are used generally in Hindi sentences are मैं. We use मैं for I. Then तुम. तुम is for you. Please note that if the speaker is elder, we use आप in place of तुम. So we use तुम for the younger one and for elder we use आप. Then for he we use वह. वह. And for she also we use वह, the pronoun वह. And for we use हम. For they it is वे. For my it will be मेरा. And for your it will be तुम्हारा. For his उसका. And for her we use उसकी. So these are very common pronouns or the sarvanams that are generally used in Hindi sentences. We use many verb forms to make different sentences. For example, play. Play means khelna. Similarly, eat. Eat means khana. It is khana. And sing. Sing is gana. Gana. So these are three verbs that I have used here to explain the Hindi sentence formation. Now see, as we know, for I we use the pronoun मैं in Hindi. मैं means I. And with मैं we use in present tense who. Please note that for मैं, that is I, we use whom to show the present tense. For you, that means for तुम, we use हो. हो. And for वह, we use हैं. Similarly, for the girls also we use हैं. So these are whom, ho or हैं. These are the words to show the sentence is in present tense. So let's see the sentences. मैं, here I have written three verbs. The first is गाता, then खाता and खेलता. Gata means to sing. To sing. Khata means to eat. And khelta is to play. So let's see how we use this one. So मैं गाता हूँ. That means I sing. I sing. Here it will be I sing. मैं गाता हूँ is I sing. मैं खाता हूँ will be I eat. And मैं खेलता हूँ is I play. So you can see how we use the ताहू form, ताहू structure to show the sentence is in present indefinite tense. Similarly, for you we use तुम, and for तुम the structure is ते हो, like गाते, खाते and खेलते. So the sentence will be तुम गाते हो. That means you sing, you sing. It is you sing. Similarly, tum khate ho is you eat, and tum khelte ho, it is you play. And for he, we use vah, and the structure is ta hai to show it is in present indefinite. So when we use the verbs, it will be वह गाता है, वह गाता है, that means he sings, he sings. And वह खाता है, that means he eats. वह खेलता है, he plays. So in this way we can make Hindi sentences using वह. We use वह for he and the ta hai for the gents one. If the speaker is a girl, we use vah for she, but the verb structure is little bit changed. Instead of ta hai structure, we use ti hai to show the speaker is girl. So vah गाती है that means she sings. वह खाती है, that means she eats. And वह खेलती है, that means she plays. Now, if we take the plural pronoun, we use we and they generally. So for we write hum. Hum means we. And as the sentence, as the pronoun is plural, we use the ते हैं form. ते हैं. For example, गाते हैं. गाते means we sing. We sing. So हम गाते हैं, we sing. हम खाते हैं, हम खाते हैं, that means we eat. And हम खेलते हैं, that means we play. So in this way we can make sentences with we. Now let's see one more plural pronoun, that is we. We use we for they, and here as the pronoun is in plural form, we use the te hai structure. For example, वे गाते हैं. वे गाते हैं, that means they sing. वे खाते हैं, that means they eat. And वे खेलते हैं, that means they play. Now, if my and your is added with some common noun, for example, my father. So it will, my father will be मेरे पिता. Pita is father. So मेरे पिता, as मेरे पिता, with मेरे पिता we use the ते हैं structure. So मेरे पिता गाते हैं, that means my father sings. In the same way, मेरे पिता खाते हैं, that means my father eats. And मेरे पिता खेलते हैं, that means my father plays. Similarly, with my mother we use मेरी माता. Mata is for mother. So मेरी माता, and the structure is ती है, as she is a lady, so we use ती है form. ती है. So in this way, मेरी माता गाती है, that means my mother sings. मेरी माता खाती है, that means she eats. And मेरी माता खेलती है, that means she or my mother plays. So in this way we can use different verb forms to make present indefinite tense. I think this video will definitely help you to understand the simple Hindi sentences in present indefinite tense. Now let's see how we can use different pronouns in present, past and future tenses and what changes are made in their verb forms. Example, see the sentence. I play. I play. Here, I is the subject and play is the first form of the verb. In present tense, I play means मैं खेलता हूँ. मैं खेलता हूँ. I play is मैं खेलता हूँ. Here I is मैं and खेलता हूँ is the present indefinite form of the verb. Then past indefinite. In past indefinite the sentence will be I played and for I played we will write मैंने खेला. मैंने खेला. Here I will be मैंने and खेला is the past form of the verb. In future it will be I shall play and for I shall play we will write मैं खेलूंगा. खेलूंगा. So खेलूंगा is the future form of the verb. So in this way मैं खेलता हूँ in present indefinite, मैंने खेला in past indefinite and मैं खेलूंगा is the future indefinite. Let's see the second sentence. You play. Here you play means तुम खेलते हो. तुम खेलते हो. Now see, tu means you and खेलते for you we write the te ho form. Te. Here it was खेलता, it is खेलते. For तुम we write खेलते. तुम खेलते हो. Please note that we use tum for the young ones. For the young ones. But we generally used आप for the elder ones. So for elder we will write आप खेलते हो. तुम खेलते हो is for the younger ones and आप खेलते हो is for the elder ones. So in this way this is an important modification while using this pronoun. Next, you played. You played, that means in past indefinite tense, you played will be तुमने तुमने खेला. तुमने खेला. And for the elder one it will be आपने खेला. आपने खेला. Similarly, for future indefinite it will be तुम खेलोगे. खेलोगे. तुम खेलोगे. And for the elder one आप खेलोगे. So in this way you play तुम खेलते हो, you played तुमने खेला and you will play तुम खेलोगे. In this way we can see the changes made as per the different tense forms. Next is he plays. He plays. In present tense he plays will be वह खेलता है. वह खेलता है. And for she plays it will be वह खेलती है. खेलती है. Now see, with the gents person or the male person it is ता है. वह खेलता है. And for female it is खेलती है. वह खेलती है. In past tense it will be he played. So he played will be उसने खेला. उसने खेला. Here also she played is उसने खेला. उसने खेला. Then in future tense he will play will be वह खेलेगा. वह खेलेगा. That means he will play. And वह खेलेगी. वह खेलेगी. That means she will play. So here खेलेगी is for the girl, she will play. वह खेलेगा is for the boy. Now with plural pronouns we play will be we means हम खेलते हैं हम खेलते हैं that means with plural it is ते हैं form खेलते हैं हमने खेला that means we played हमने खेला we played and हम खेलेंगे it will be हम खेलेंगे that means we shall play हम खेलेंगे. Similarly they play they means we and for play वे खेलते हैं ते हैं form for plural one. Then उन्होंने खेला, see the difference. For past tense for they we use उन्होंने and for खेला played is खेला उन्होंने खेला they played and वे खेलेंगे that means they will play so in this way we can easily frame different Hindi sentences in present, past and future indefinite tenses.